SalesIntel is a B2B lead generation and data intelligence platform designed to help businesses find accurate and high-quality contact information for decision makers. Here's how to use it effectively. Sign up and log in. Start by creating an account on the SalesIntel website. Once registered, log in to access the dashboard. Use the search function. SalesIntel provides a powerful search engine where you can filter companies by industry, size, revenue, geography, technology stack, and more. Narrow your search criteria to find prospects that fit your ideal customer profile. Browse and export data. Once you find relevant companies, you can view their contact information, including emails, phone numbers, and job titles for decision makers. You can export this data to a CSV file or directly integrate it into your CRM system for further outreach. Enrich data. SalesIntel also offers data enrichment, allowing you to enhance your existing contact records with up-to-date and verified information. Use intent data. SalesIntel provides intent data, which can help you identify prospects actively looking for your services based on their online behavior.